The 2025 Audi A5 marks a significant evolution in Audi's lineup, effectively replacing the previous A4 sedan with a more dynamic and versatile model. This transition reflects Audi's commitment to innovation and adaptability in the luxury automotive market. One of the most notable changes in the 2025 A5 is its adoption of the Premium Platform Combustion (PPC), a new architecture that enhances both performance and efficiency. This platform supports a range of powertrains, including mild hybrid systems, aligning with modern demands for sustainability without compromising on driving dynamics. The exterior design of the A5 has undergone a transformation, featuring a sleek, coupe-like silhouette that exudes elegance and sportiness. The front fascia is dominated by a wider, more pronounced grille, flanked by sharp LED headlights that contribute to a commanding road presence. Aerodynamic enhancements not only improve aesthetics but also contribute to better fuel efficiency and handling. Inside the cabin, the 2025 A5 offers a blend of luxury and advanced technology. High-quality materials adorn the interior, providing a comfortable and premium feel for both driver and passengers. The dashboard is equipped with Audi's latest MMI infotainment system, featuring a user-friendly interface and seamless integration with various connectivity options. The digital instrument cluster offers customizable displays, ensuring that essential information is always within the driver's line of sight. Under the hood, the A5 is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering 268 horsepower. This powertrain is complemented by a 48-volt hybrid system, enhancing both performance and fuel efficiency. The engine is paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and responsive gear shifts. Audi's renowned Quattro all-wheel drive system comes standard, providing excellent traction and stability across various driving conditions. In terms of dimensions, the 2025 A5 has grown compared to its predecessors. It measures 190.1 inches in length, offering more interior space and comfort. Despite its increased size, the use of lightweight materials ensures that the vehicle maintains agility and responsive handling. Safety and driver assistance features have been prioritized in the new A5. The vehicle comes equipped with a suite of advanced systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These technologies work cohesively to provide a safer driving experience, whether on long highway journeys or navigating through city traffic. Audi has also introduced the S5 variant for those seeking enhanced performance. The S5 is powered by a turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine, delivering exhilarating acceleration and dynamic handling characteristics. This model retains the luxurious features of the A5 while adding a sportier edge, appealing to driving enthusiasts. The 2025 A5 is available in multiple body styles, including the traditional sedan and the Avant wagon variant. The Avant offers additional cargo space, making it a practical choice for those requiring more room without sacrificing style or performance. In summary, the 2025 Audi A5 represents a harmonious blend of luxury, performance, and advanced technology. Its thoughtful design and engineering make it a compelling choice for those seeking a premium vehicle that meets the demands of modern driving.